What's up guys, welcome to JavaScript series brought to you by Code2Code. In case you just skipped the first episode and bumped into this one, I still remain Tony Cletus, your instructor. Alright, so in this episode 10, we are going to be looking at setTimeout and setInterval. These are two important methods in JavaScript. You might be needing them when you are going to deal with some libraries like node.js. It's very important when you're dealing with server programming, you understand. So let's quickly clean this off so I can have a nice and clean workspace to work with. But first, let me explain the difference between setTimeout and setInterval. Now, setTimeout allows an action just once when it reaches the time set for it to perform the action. Now, what does this mean? It allows an action just once. That means it runs only once, and that's it. It runs only once when it reaches the time set for it to perform this action. Understand? Now, the setInterval allows an action concurrently according to the time set for it to perform each action. That means the setInterval runs according to the time. It keeps running and running. That's it. Okay, let's quickly clean this up and take an example, then you understand. But first of all, we're going to deal with the setTimeout method. So let's quickly write a function here, and I'm going to call it countdown. Just go ahead and type this with me. And this time I want to have any parameter. I will just declare a variable x. Let's name it variable x. Count me down right now. So let's just print out x. So print out x, and now we're going to use our setTimeout, and you see what I'm talking about. So what you need to do, according to the name, you type your set in small letters. Time, that is the T, must begin with capital letter. Then you complete with the spelling, and you type out in small letter also. So it's only the first T of the time that is in capital letter, and you open the parentheses, and here we are going to call the function countdown, and you give it a comma, then you now set the interval. Now I'm going to set it to 5 seconds, and that's 5,000. You understand? 5 seconds is 5,000. When you say 2,000 is 2 seconds. When you say 1,000 is 1 second. 9,000 is 9 seconds. So let's quickly save this and refresh and see what we're having. Okay, I'm going to count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count me down right now. You see? So now you understand what I'm talking about. You set the time for when the action is going to take off. You understand? So this is it. It's count me down right now, and it happened in exactly 5 seconds. So this is how to use the set timeout. Simple as that. Alright, so let's quickly perform this action also for the set interval using the same function countdown. So what I'll have to do is to clear this off and change this to interval. You understand? And I'm going to reduce the seconds to 2 seconds. You understand? Every 2 seconds this action will be triggered. That's it. And in this case, I think we'll have to give it a line break, probably a paragraph, and I will save this. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. That's cool, and this is very sweet, and to keep going on and on and on and on and on. So this is how it is. So now you understand how to use the set interval and the set timeout. So this is just a simple thing you need to know about the two methods, set timeout and set interval. So I believe you've really learned a lot from this video, and if you really do, please click on the like button below and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Alright, so in the next tutorial we're going to be dealing with global variables and local variables, and there will also deal with ways by which you can call functions from another function. Have a wonderful day. Thank you very much.